Hi, I wanted to say hello, hello, hello. My name is Mrs. Kluzacek, your social studies teacher. Um, I'm not gonna lie, the start of the school year was so busy. So if you felt like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do or how to start on social studies work, don't worry, you're not alone. I felt that same way. I did want to say that I'm sorry it's taken me so long to be able to reach out to you. I know being a hybrid and a distance learner, there's going to be some times where you're feeling like, I don't know if I'm getting all of the information. Make sure that you reach out to me, okay? So always feel like you can connect with me. I'm definitely still getting a hang of the day one, day two, new schedule, all of those changes. It will take some time to get used to it. But I did want to say I'm also just so excited to have you be a part of our class, regardless if you're here every other day or if you're not physically here every day, if you're distance. But remember that you're important to this group, like you're important to this class, and I value your involvement. So in the orange on this document, it says the first few days we've been either introducing ourselves or discussing standard operating procedures or sharing a bit about ourselves on the evidence of our personality half sheet. As a hybrid learner or a distance learner, as a hybrid learner, I would like for you to do that. And as a distance learner, it would be really fun to still have you be involved. So if you want to create a way that you're still sharing your personality with me and your classmates, I can figure out a way to still hang it up in our classroom. But you don't have to stress about that right now. That can be something that you do down the road. Okay. In the green text right here, you're going to see that it starts giving you some information about Google Classroom. So for each of my classes, both 7th and 8th grade social studies, I have a Google Classroom set up. Below, you're going to see the invite links if you haven't already joined the class. I'm going to share this doc with you so that way you can click into that and you can have access to that link. You wouldn't be able to click on it during this video when you're watching the video, but on the doc you can click into that. A note about Google Classroom, it says on Google Classroom for each grade, I have been posting our lessons or agendas for each day under Classwork. Please check this space out. It has everything that you're going to need. Well, everything might be an overexaggeration, but mostly everything. Okay, and if you're feeling like you have questions, like you feel like it's missing something, again, feel confident and open to reaching out to me. Okay, under classwork, you're going to find a document that looks like this. So if you're 8th grade geography student, under classwork, it's going to have this daily geography lessons. If you are, my lights just went off. So if you are a 7th grade social studies student, you're going to see your document that has our agenda and all of our lessons on it is a daily American history lessons under classwork. So you'd want to click on those docs to really be able to access each of our lessons each day. In the red, I just continue to tell you, I said, these documents are gold. Trust me. They have links to videos that I'm creating, all sorts of goodness. Each day, whether you're hybrid or a distance learner or in person, students who are here every single day are still accessing this document every single day. You will be expected to check out these documents. These documents will allow you to stay on pace with all learning evidence we're going over throughout the school year. Okay. I have a little note here. It says, please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Honestly, whether it's a day you're actually at school or if you're at home, distance, hybrid, whatnot, I just want you to feel confident that you can ask me questions even if you're not in this room. Okay. You're in this room, it's just in a different way. Okay, again, I'm so excited to have you be a part of our social studies class. and I'm really excited to hopefully, fingers crossed, see you really soon. Okay, before I really let you go, end this video, I want to share with you. So if I click here to create a new tab and I go to Google Classroom, I realize this will look a little bit different on my computer compared to your iPad. But for example, if you're a 7th grade American history student, you'll see the tabs that say Stream, Classwork. Okay, click under that Classwork. This is where you're going to see different elements that I'm posting. Okay, shoulders itchy. So you're going to notice that this daily American history lessons, that's the document that I was referencing earlier in the video. So I started this document last Monday, and you'll be able to click into all the video links that I've created and whatnot. Okay, I'm going to let you go now. Have a great week.